Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. By the way, that is our phone number if you have questions. There will be a link for everything I'm going to show you to the website, so come on over here. I got Joel behind the camera today. He's going to show us some great stuff. We got a Ford F-150. We got the Thule storage here on top. We got the Rhino racks. We got the Armor Flex. And what else we have here? Let's take a look. Oh, look in here. We have ourselves a Bedslide 1500 with some nice accessories. So let's take a look here. Look, I see it comes all the way out. Now this is a 70-30 setup here. We got the storage bins up top here with the nice little bed rug here. If you notice, everything here has got the nice Line-X. The cover has Line-X. This has Line-X. Now even the bed has a Line-X. This has got a great look. You got some nice tie downs in here. So, and you see now, as you know, when you put these Rhino racks, the T-slots on here with the racks on here, it does prevent you from opening the cover. But that's not a problem here because we have a Bedslide. Everything he needs to get to, it comes right out here, no problem. And again, you got the Thule here. I don't know if this is locked or not. I guess it is, so they'll leave it alone. But again, you have lock-in Rhino racks here. The Undercover Armor Flex has a 5-year manufacturer warranty here. It's a 3-fold cover. Now, if this wasn't on the racks, these racks actually come off extremely quick and easy. So if you did want to have the racks on here, not a problem, it'll come off real easy. And again, we can do all the installs for you here, which is really nice. So I like this, I think it's great. I have this in my truck. Very easy to use. All in all, a great setup. Again, if you like what you see, hit that like button, we do appreciate it. And you can always order anything you see here. We'll ship it anywhere in the country. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. And this is ready for this? We have the Rhino racks, we have the Armor Flex, we have the Thule, and we have the Bedslide in here. Did I forget anything? I think we got it all, right? All right, again, if you see anything you like, just give the call to store. The links to these products will be right on the bottom of this YouTube video. Thank you.